Sarah and Mary are best friends. Sarah and Mary are best friends. But the police are serious but kind. The police are serious but kind. After. He arrived after everybody had gone home. He arrived after everybody had gone home. So. I was tired, so I fell asleep. I was tired, so I fell asleep. Because. He is happy because he got a promotion. He is happy because he got a promotion. If. You can use my laptop if you need it. You can use my laptop if you need it. Then. They make pasta, then eat. They make pasta, then eat. Or. Would you prefer cake or ice cream? Would you prefer cake or ice cream? And. He bought apples and oranges. He bought apples and oranges. But. I like tea, but I prefer coffee. I like tea, but I prefer coffee. After. I'll call you after I finish work. I'll call you after I finish work. So. I was tired, so I took a break. I was tired, so I took a break. Because. She ate quickly because she was hungry. She ate quickly because she was hungry. If. If you see him, tell him I said hello. If you see him, tell him I said hello. Then. They play the piano, then have lunch. They play the piano, then have lunch. Or. Do you want to go or not? Do you want to go or not? And. The restaurant was modern and clean. The restaurant was modern and clean. But. I like her, but I don't like her friend. I like her, but I don't like her friend. After. She cleans the kitchen after she finishes cooking. She cleans the kitchen after she finishes cooking. So. She is nice, so I like her. She is nice, so I like her. Because I was tired because I stayed up late last night. I was tired because I stayed up late last night. If it rains, you will get wet. If it rains, you will get wet. Then. First, I finish my task, then I'll help you. First, I finish my task, then I'll help you. Or. Please record this or listen carefully. Please record this or listen carefully. And he ran and jumped over the fence. He ran and jumped over the fence. But the dog barks loudly, but it never bites. The dog barks loudly, but it never bites. After. She will call me after she arrives. She will call me after she arrives. So. The store was closed, so we went home. The store was closed, so we went home. Because I can't come with you because I'm very busy. I can't come with you because I'm very busy. If you see him, give him this food. If you see him, give him this food. Then. First wash your hand, then eat. First wash your hand, then eat. Or. Is she glad or upset? Is she glad or upset? And. It was cold and windy outside. It was cold and windy outside. But. I wanted to go, but I had to stay home. I wanted to go, but I had to stay home. After. They go for a run after the sun rises. They go for a run after the sun rises. So. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. Because. I went to the beach because it was a nice day. I went to the beach because it was a nice day. If you like, we can go to the park. If you like, we can go to the park. then. Please first think, then speak. Please first think, then speak. Or. Is he coming today or tomorrow? Is he coming today or tomorrow? And she is skating home and singing. She is skating home and singing. But he's a good employee, but he's often late. He's a good employee, but he's often late. After. He leaves the house after he kisses his mother. He leaves the house after he kisses his mother. So. It's cold, so I wear a jacket. It's cold, so I wear a jacket. Because. We are saving because we want the vacation. We are saving because we want the vacation. If the store is open, buy some milk. If the store is open, buy some milk. Then. I need to help Mom. Then I can play. I need to help Mom. Then I can play. Or. You can take a bus or walk to the airport. You can take a bus or walk to the airport. And. We need bread, milk, and eggs. We need bread, milk, and eggs. But. She can dance, but not sing well. She can dance, but not sing well. After. She walked home after her car broke down. She walked home after her car broke down. So. It was a long journey, so I'm really tired now. It was a long journey, so I'm really tired now. Because. She laughed because the joke was funny. She laughed because the joke was funny. If anyone calls, tell them I'm not at home. If anyone calls, tell them I'm not at home. Then. Turn right at the traffic light, then go straight. Turn right at the traffic light, then go straight. Or. Do you want to come with me or stay home? Do you want to come with me or stay home? And. She wanted to go, and he agreed. She wanted to go, and he agreed. But it's raining, but it's still hot. It's raining, but it's still hot. After they returned home after the party ended. They returned home after the party ended. So the traffic was terrible, so I arrived late. The traffic was terrible, so I arrived late. Because she woke up early because she had a lot of work to do. She woke up early because she had a lot of work to do. If it rains, I will stay inside. If it rains, I will stay inside. Then first I went to the store, then I got gas. First I went to the store, then I got gas. Or you can study now or finish your homework later. You can study now or finish your homework later. And the sky was blue and the sun was bright. The sky was blue and the sun was bright. But I didn't tell anyone but my sister. I didn't tell anyone but my sister. After she went to work after she ate breakfast. She went to work after she ate breakfast. So we will work together so we can succeed. We will work together so we can succeed. Because I ran because I was afraid. I ran because I was afraid. If I had your money, I would be living in Paris. If I had your money, I would be living in Paris.